What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the 92. This one's gonna suck to do because they gotta drop that tank and fix that rigged up fuel pump they got going on here that I don't like. So I'm gonna put this car up in the air and bring you guys up to see it. Other than that, car freaking sounds amazing, runs, drives real good. That's a plus. But drop that tank, whoever designed that idea in there, what were you thinking? But I'll see you guys when I bring this car up in the air. I just cleaned that line up better so that having it was right out here. I was just testing it, but I got it cleaned up. So what this regulator is right here, you got your return set up like factory. Your inlet, yes, I know this is getting changed to a inline eventually, but what this does is gonna make my job on Sunday a lot easier, just dropping that tank and fixing it, just putting the right fuel pump in it instead of that Holly one. This is a Holly regulator right there. But as I said, that bottom one right there, that's your return. This loop one, that's your supply line going in. And that's your outlet going to the carburetor. Okay, so I got the gas tank out finally. That was a thing to fight. So this is the hack job they did right here. And they cut into the harness, which all they did was cut the power wire from the ECM to this. Because I have a feeling that fuel pump stopped working in there. But what the hell were they thinking when they did this shit? That's just stupid. But hopefully it's not nasty on the inside. So let me pop that open and find out. Alright, so I got the new fuel pump and sending unit. Good thing I didn't know. Where's that connector at? Where they cut that gray wire coming from power from your ECM. Right there is right where they cut it to use that Holly pump. I don't have to wire that back up. That's good news. So this pump right here, here's the part number. There you go. And I'll just post the part number to the sending unit. You get these at Napa. That's about it. Other than that, it's very straightforward. You got your connector you plug in, your hose. With these clips, you got to squeeze it tight. I've never seen that before. And your fuel sock right here, or strain, whatever you guys call it. Other than that, the tank is clean on the inside, thank goodness. I'm about to go drop it back in the tank and put the tank back in the car. All right, so I got the gas tank back in. And I totally didn't realize this, but when I went to fix the wiring, the new sending unit came together with new wire into the sending unit, so I don't have to repair this wire they spliced it into the previous clip of the video for your power. The hack job fuel pump's gone. The actual right style fuel line, high pressure fuel line coming from the tank for the CPI unit still on. I just need to get some hoses real quick and hook these up. So that's your vent. I forget what these other two are. It probably won't be that hard to figure out. But other than that, this one seems a little bit bigger than the other. Other than that, it's coming along nicely. But when I went to go test the fuel pump, I forgot it's on a switch that you have to manually turn on. It doesn't come on with a key. But it works, thank God. But whoever designed this is still a freaking idiot. That was the most pain in the butt thing I had to do on this car since I don't know, besides put a motor in it. But other than that, I'll catch you guys around when I start doing some more suspension stuff. You know that Panhard bar? It's gone. We're doing something different there. Get rid of that. But other than that, yeah, guys, it's coming along nicely. I'll catch you guys when I start doing all that. I got the thing filled up with gas, about 3 or so gallons, just to see if the pump works. Who knows how quiet this pump is on the tank inside, because the Holly one was decently loud. But I don't know if I showed this, but I got rid of that hacked up main feed line right there. That was where the Holly pump went through. And that was the original fuel filter that was on this car. Look how much gunk came out of it. So let's see if it fires. It's still on a switch. Okay, you can barely hear it. Oh, okay. Let's see what the PSI is on it. That's perfect. Oh my God, this is working. Yeah. I'm gonna bring you guys back around when I do my UMI stuff. Alright, so I brought you guys back around. I'm changing it out from the stamped steel to the UMI tubular rear control arms and track bar. Or panhard bars, whatever you guys, third-gen guys want to call it. But that's a lot of that's a nicer piece right there. And it's using the factory hardware, which saves me a headache, because fighting that tank all day has worn me out. Getting this thing to run has worn me out. That tank is not fun to get out. I'm never doing that again. But it was easy. 18 millimeter on the head of this bolt and the nut. That's about it. But let's compare this real quick. This won't twist or flex because it's not stamped steel. I think El Caminos have the same rear setup like this. And for old school ways to stop from twisting, is people would weld in some metal right here and basically close it in. I'm gonna bring you guys back around when I get done doing everything, and we're gonna put the car back down on the ground and call it in for the night. Guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I am covered. I am whooped. I don't like doing that. And whoever hacked that thing up for making somebody else fix that, because you were too lazy to drop the tank just to find out the fact the fuel pump fell off. Still don't know how that happened, but okay. Come on. I hope you're not working on any other cars, because if I found that on my car after you did the work, I want to be very happy about it. But other than that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, do whatever you guys got to do. Get this video around. Maybe you might see more third-gen content on the channel. I don't know. I'm kind of looking at another second-gen to add onto it, because third-gen, kind of over it, especially after today. I know I just put that really freaking nice motor in it, though, but I'm like, it's a fast car, fun to drive. I'm just more of a second-gen guy, I guess, because I have one, and I want to add to that. But other than that, dropping that tank's not that hard. Getting back in is what it's annoying to do. And changing a freaking center unit in that car, not that hard. And all that stuff. Don't be the person that cuts a hole into the floor because I'm too lazy to drop the tank. I hate you guys. But other than that, I'll see you guys on the next video.